Hello guys, Saturday, January 9 today. First of all, Happy New Year to all of us. I really wish for the 2016 to be the best year for all of us, the best year ever. I'm shooting this small video today to introduce myself. For the people who do not know me, my name is Panos and I am from Greece. And Grotihon is my internet nickname, let's say. For a lot of time now, I wanted to organize better my online presence, and Grotihon is the way to do this. So let's see what Grotihon is all about. Okay, first of all, this is my profile, my Facebook sorry, my English is not so good. This is my Facebook profile. If you want, you can send me a friend request and we can be friends in Facebook. And right here we have the fan page Grotihon Greece and Cyprus. This is my fan page, my Greek fan page for my friends from Greece, from Cyprus, and from all over the place who speak Greek. I have, of course, this page, the Grotihon International, for all of you guys who speak only English, who speak English. This will be 100% in English, my video, my posts, everything in English. This incredible English, as you can hear. And of course I have two Facebook groups, Grotihon Greece and Cyprus and Grotihon International. These groups will be for Greek and for English language. Of course, as you can see, there are not so many members right now because I'm just starting. Okay, and very soon I will also have the Grotihon newsletter. So everything I will post in my pages. If you want, you can sign up in this newsletter, and I can send in your email all the information so you cannot miss anything. Okay, if you want, of course. So as Grotihon, I will present several ways for you to earn money working from home, from your computer. Revenue sharing programs, marketing tools, I will do some training, I will create some tutorials, I will speak about mindset, a very important topic, and basically I will speak for a lot of things through Grotihon. If there are some things you do not understand from what I'm saying, don't worry, it's natural not to understand something, especially if you hear it for the first time. I'm here to help all of the people who want to understand how they can earn some money working from their home, and I can answer sorry, and I can answer if you have any questions, if you want specifications, clarifications, you know, all these things. I hope you can find the things I will present to you very interesting, and I really hope you will be able to start earning some money working from home. And especially at nowadays, I know that most of the people want and need some extra money. So Happy New Year for one more time. That was all for this video, and we will speak again soon in the next video. Bye bye.